Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi 10C and let me share with you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's open the keyboard. For example, in messages or in notes, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings. If you cannot find the settings in this option bar, no worries, 3 dots icon, and you can find the settings right here. You can tap on them, hold them, and drag them to this first section, of course, to have much faster access to it. So let's enter the settings, let's enter the languages. And as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages. So we've got only English right now. So let's tap on Add Keyboard. And as you can see, we've been transferred to the full list of all available keyboards from which we can choose. So we've got plenty of options to choose from. I'm sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. And basically all you have to do is to simply, as I said, find the language and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Azerian, because I just want to pick the graphical language in order to show you the difference. So let me pick Azerian, and sometimes you will also be able to pick the region. So just tap on the region you'd like to use. In my case, in this Azerian language, I've got only one keyboard available, but sometimes you will have like 3 or 4 different keyboards, so for example handwriting and so on. It's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick this one, of course, obviously. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard and check. And basically we've got 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar is not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we are currently using, and next to it we've got the globe icon, which will allow us to actually change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, the language key, I can easily switch to the Azerian one. Let me tap on it again, and again English. So basically this is how to add the language to the keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not really need like 2 or 3 different languages added. So let's enter the settings again, tap on languages, and here let's tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. As you can see here from this tab, you can reorder the languages, you can change the position of both of them, it's up to you. But if you'd like to remove the language, just mark the one you'd like to remove and tap on the trash bin icon here. As you can see, we've got only English left, so just like it was at the very beginning of this video. And here in the keyboard you can see that the spacebar is empty and we cannot find the language key, which simply means that we cannot change the language. So actually this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your Xiaomi Redmi 10C. Redmi 10C, yes. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.